All right, y'all boys. I'm doing a bat testing. We're doing a little early today because I have nothing else to do in the meantime. So today we had home sales, crude oil. Not really much news that I'm worried about. So if we go to the charts, I already rewinded it to the should be 8:30 ish. So what am I already seeing? We can see we can see overnight. Market had a big upswing, and however, market we marked this out the other video. Market entered this demand zone, went up, and now I'm guessing it's having a retracement. Or we'll see something on the hourly, but we could see it pulling back into equilibrium levels. Went up, pulled back under, and actually we could even draw an equilibrium level on this low to this high. You can see how it's in equilibrium. So what am I expecting price to do? Well, honestly, probably take out these lows. That's what I'm looking for. Sort of same thing on NQ. I'm not too sure about because it is trading in this demand zone right here. However, it is looking a little bearish, so I'm not too sure. Yes, I'm feeling better on. So we go to the hourly. And what are we seeing? Well, we could see in this range, price came down, pulled back up into equilibrium, primed for a short, bam, probably going to come down into this demand zone, take out these lows, and then I don't know why I just removed that equilibrium level, but you guys saw it. And then yeah, probably going to come down and take out these lows, so I'm expecting price to move even farther down. Even maybe come take these lows or retest this demand zone again. So I'm currently bearish on ES. NQ, let's see what we have. Let's see what we have on NQ hourly. Okay, so we have this low and this demand zone as well, and these lows. Okay, so I'm bearish on both of these, more on ES. I'm not sure I would take a trade on NQ unless it gives us something, but so far I would rather take a shot on ES. So we go to the 15-minute. What can we see? What can we see? We could see, well, we could see this imbalance. See this imbalance right here was filled. Sorry, we can see this imbalance here was filled. Hopefully price comes up, take these highs, enters in this demand zone, drops down. So we could draw, let's put a line here. Now look on IQ. Okay, we can see price automatically. I see this imbalance filled. And then on top of that, I also see this demand zone right here being filled, come down. So I'm assuming it sweeps this liquidity, comes back up, takes this demand zone, takes these highs, and moves further down. That's what I'm looking for. So draw this. Get rid of this one. That one was already filled, and then we could shut. All right, that's what I'm looking for on IQ. I'm looking for price to come back up into this demand zone, maybe take this high and then move further. On ES, actually, same thing to be honest with you. I'm going to delete this because we already see that. And then I'm really looking for these highs to be taken out though. So we'll go down to the 5-minute. And this is 8:30, so market opens is not going to be for a while. All right, new imbalance. Actually, let's go to the 15-minute because it's higher time frame, higher power. Yeah, okay, so we have a new imbalance right here, as well as this very, very bullish candle. ES, also a new imbalance. So what am I looking for? Actually, when's market open? Oh, wow, okay. Market open candle is very small. So I want this high, now I want this high to get taken and this imbalance to be filled on ES. Look for a short. And then I really want this high to be taken on a Q. So put a line there. And then I'll also put a line here. And then we'll go down to 1 minute and see if we can find maybe an entry. Now, guys, if I don't see those get taken, then I'm not gonna trade because that's pretty much what I would need to see in order for me to enter a trade. Anything on NQ? No. All right, guys, we can see. I think that was on the 5 minute. Okay, we can see this demand zone. We can see this demand zone. Here, I'll draw it out. This whole entire zone right here. You can see this being filled. Or sorry, not demand zone, supply zone. You see the supply zone getting filled. So now, if it gives me something bullish, I would enter a short, as well as this imbalance. So we go to 1 minute. So we go to 1 minute. Now, like I said, I want to see this, some reaction off this, and then here we can see this imbalance is being filled. If it gives me something off of this, I would short. So let's see. If this forms an imbalance and then fills it. Oh, I'm moving too fast. Let's see what happens. Okay, ES, if you go to the 5 minute, we can see all this, we can see this highs being taken out right here. I wanted to see this high get taken out, but we can see multiple. It's a high liquidity area over here, so we saw that get taken out. And then we also saw this imbalance get disrespected, so you could have entered a short. Could have entered a short off of this candle close. However, I don't think I would have done that because that wasn't enough confirmation for me. I want to see one of these imbalances at least get filled. So let's see what happens. Or you could go out to 5 minute even off this candle close. But yeah, let's see what happens. Oh, you get. Oh, never mind. Yeah, okay. So you can see this imbalance being filled. Hopefully it comes up, fills one of these imbalances. All right, right here, you can see it come up here, challenges liquidity. Now, depending on what happens here, I would maybe enter short. If this candle closes like this, I would short. Okay, so I would short right here. I would put stops above this actually no, maybe even above this imbalance. And then we could put take profit one down here. What else we got? Shit. You can put take profit two down here. And that would be honestly good enough for me. Try to target a 1 to 2. That's my goal usually all the time. At least get a 1 to 2. So this would be a 1 to 2.39. Um, so we got that, and then ES. Let's see what we're looking at here. All right, so I didn't see this fill. However, I did see you do see price come up here, fill this, disrespect this, come up, take these highs, come down, disrespect this, and then we get a candle close below this imbalance. So on ES, I would have shorted like somewhere in this area, put stops above here, and for targets, what do we see? What do we see? I guess you could do like these lows. Actually, it's kind of far to be honest. To be honest, I would just do I'll show you guys. To be honest, I would set it at this low. I would set it at this low, and then maybe look at 1 to 2.5. I don't really know to be honest. So we have one take profit here, one here, and then a final one here. All right, so those are the trades I probably would have done. We can see if this gets hit or not. So again, you can see this imbalance is holding, but overall I'm bullish on the day. I mean, sorry, I'm bearish on the day. So let's see what happens. All right, actually, we would have made, yeah, okay. That's all I need. We would have made some money on this. Now, I would have dragged this down more had I seen other points of possible take profits. But you could see, well, actually, I guess I could have gone down here also. But I mean, I'm satisfied with what we had. But so this is the original trade. Let's just see if it even hits this price target. Let's go to the 5 minute. All right, so it would have hit the price target. I'm not sure what that would have been. I didn't even look on the hourly, but oh, okay, almost doubled. But I'm satisfied with this. It's over a 1 to 2, so it's fine with me. And this one, same thing. Actually, same thing. Let's check the hourly, see if we could have targeted anything else. I mean, we really the only thing I saw was this, or maybe this demand zone, which price still hasn't hit. So I guess we can see if price hits that, right? Okay, so had we targeted that, let's see what shit would have been. Wow, 1 to 10? That's insane. But I'm satisfied with this, to be honest. Since I'm not professional yet, at least. I'm just starting. I'm a beginner, so both of these trades would have been completely satisfactory for me. I would have been completely happy with both of them. Yes, you could see this humongous move down. However, I wasn't looking on the hourly, which is going to be good to know for next time. Maybe set price targets on the hourly. But yeah, overall, we had a trade ES for a 1 to 2.56 and NQ for a 1 to 2.42. So that's it. I'll do another video tomorrow. Actually, wait, am I going to do another video tomorrow? What's the news? Oh, wow. I'm not going to back test tomorrow because we have PMI. And I don't trade CPI or PMI. Actually, no, sorry. No, maybe, I don't know. We'll see if I do a backtesting video. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the backtesting video tomorrow.